Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss some more problems. Here, one problem is there. Determine whether the relation reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, the relation R in the set A is defined something defined as relation R set of order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equals to 0. Here given A is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 14. R is equals to set of order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equals to 0. Then y क्या है 3x. Yes or no? Yes. First of all, you will be create the relation R is equals to y is equals to 3x. You can take if x is equals to 1, y क्या है 3. If x is equals to 2, y क्या है 9. If x is equals to 3, y equals to 2. So x is equals to 2, y क्या है 6. x is equals to 3, y क्या है 9. x is equals to 4, y क्या है 12. Yes or no? x is equals to 5, y क्या है 15. x is equals to 6, y क्या है 6, 6 3s are 18. Yes. Here set A having elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on 14. 1 to 14 तक है. But here we are also taking 15. So we don't need here 15. This is also. So now we have to create R is equals to set of 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 12. This is the relation. Now we shall check reflexive. Simply reflexive क्या है? Every element in A, for example you can take 1, उसका ऑर्डर पेयर क्या है, itself क्या है, reflexive क्या है 1 comma 1. Okay, is there in element in R? No. You can take x, 1 belongs to A, 1 comma 1. Order pair 1 comma 1 is in the element in R? Is in the element in R? No. So does not belongs to R. 2 belongs to A. 2 comma 2 belongs to R? No. So R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Yes. नेक्स्ट सिमेट्रिक चेक करेंगे. सिमेट्रिक क्या है? सिमेट्रिक टेल मी सिमेट्रिक. वेरी गुड. 1 you can take 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Otherwise 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Order pair of A comma B belongs to R. Then we have to prove B comma A belongs to R. Let us take 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Then reverse of the elements क्या है? 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1 is in the element in R? No. So does not belongs to R. So R is not a symmetric. Yes. Next ट्रांजिटिव चेक करो. ट्रांजिटिव क्या है? ट्रांजिटिव चेक करिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes. 3 comma 9 belongs to R. 3 comma 9 belongs to R. Then we have to prove 1 comma 3, 3 comma 9. So 1 comma 9. 1 comma 9 is in the element in R? No. 1 comma 9 does not belongs to R. So R is not transitive. Not transitive. So R is not a reflexive, not a symmetric, not a transitive. Are understand? Yes. One more question. one more question, ninth one. Show that, important one. Show that each of the relation are in the set A is equals to x belongs to z such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 12. Given by first question, R is equals to order pair of A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है, R is equals to order pair of A comma B such that A is equals to B is an equivalence relation find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Puri sir? Show that each of the relation are in the set A, x belongs to z such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 12. Given by R is equals to set of A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. R is equals to another set A order pair of A comma B such that A is equals to B is an equivalence relation. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Solution क्या है? Here given set A is equals to x belongs to z such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 12. Set A का elements क्या है? 0 to 12. Here relation क्या है? R is equals to order pair of A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. Here now we can create the relation. We create the set A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. Here elements क्या है? 0 to 12, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Here order pair of A comma B such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. You can take 0, 0 comma 0, 0 minus 0. So 0 is multiple of 4. So 0 comma 0 is the one element. Next 0, 1. You can take 0, 1, 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 1 is multiple of 4. No. So 0, 1. नहीं है 0 2 0 3 0 4 yes 0 4 0 comma 4 then 0 minus 4 का मॉडुलस क्या है 4 is multiple of 4 yes 0 comma 4 0 comma 5 0 comma 6 0 comma 7 0 comma 8 yes 0 comma 8 yes or no 0 comma 8 0 comma 9 0 comma 10 0 comma 11 0 comma 12 yes 0 comma 12 ठीक है. Next one we can take 1 comma 0 no 1 comma 2 no 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 1 comma 5. सबसे पहले 1 comma 1 लिखो, बाद में 1 comma 5. नेक्स्ट वन क्या आएगा 1 comma 9. नेक्स्ट वन क्या आएगा 1 comma 11 no 1 comma 12 no yes or no yes. 2 से 2 comma 0 2 comma 1 2 comma 3 2 comma 4 2 comma 5 2 comma 6 yes. सबसे पहले 2 comma 2 comma 2 means 2 minus 2 is multiple of 4 because of 2 minus 2 0 is multiple of 4 yes 2 comma 2 comma next क्या है 6 2 comma 6 2 comma 8 2 comma 8 No, 2 comma 8 means 2 minus 8 6. No, 2 comma 10, yes, 2 comma 10, yes or no, 2 comma 11, 2 comma 12, no. नेक्स्ट वन 3 से शुरू करो, 3 comma 3, yes, 3 comma 3, yes. नेक्स्ट वन 3 4 no, 3 5 no, 3 6 no, 3 7 no, 3 8, 3 8 no, 3 9, 3 9 का क्या होगा, 3 comma 7 आएगा, 3 comma 7, yes, 3 comma 7. नेक्स्ट वन 3 comma 8 नहीं है, 3 comma 9, 3 comma 10, 3 comma 11, 3 comma 11 मीन्स 11 minus 3 कितना, 8 आएगा, 3 comma 11, यस सर नो. नेक्स्ट वन 3 comma 12 नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, 4, 4 से शुरू करो, 4 4 0, यस 4 0, सेम एलिमेंट्स आएगा 4 0. नेक्स्ट वन 4 से क्या क्या है, मतलब 4 0 4 0 आएगा, 4 5 नहीं, 4 8 नहीं, 4 8 है, 4 8 है, 4 8. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, 4 8 4 9 नो, 4 9 नहीं है, 4 10 नहीं है, 4 11 नहीं है, 4 12, यस 4 12, सिंपल, वेरी गुड, 4 12, यस. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, 4 12 हो गया. नेक्स्ट वन 5 से 5 5 1, yes, already there 1 5, so 5 1, so many elements are there. Okay, but now we will be check now. Here क्या है, रिफ्लेक्सिव चेक करो. रिफ्लेक्सिव के क्या है, एवरी एलिमेंट इन ए ऑर्डर पेयर. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक 0, इसका ऑर्डर पेयर क्या है, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 बिलोंग्स टू आर, yes, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, yes, 4 comma 4 also, 4 comma 4 also, 5 comma 5 also, all elements. ठीक है, so R is a reflexive. Next one, symmetric. For example, you can take here 0 comma 0, 0 is there, 0, 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0 is there, yes, 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0 is there, 0 comma 8 and 8 comma 0 and 8 comma 0 आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, इधर 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1. So you can take any order pair, then its symmetric is there. Understand? Yes. So symmetric आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, ट्रांसटिव. ट्रांसटिव का क्या है, मतलब इधर 0 comma 4, इधर क्या है 4 comma 0, 0 comma 4, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 है. ठीक है, ऑटोमेटिकली आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन क्या है, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रूव किया हम, सिमेट्रिक प्रूव किया हम, और क्या प्रूव किया, वो भी प्रूव किया, क्या है, ट्रांसटिव. सो रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांसटिव, इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन. ठीक है. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, फाइंड द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू 1 इन ईच केस. फाइंड द सेट ऑफ ऑल एलिमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू 1. हियर रिलेटेड टू 1 का क्या क्या रिलेटेड, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 9. 1 से रिलेटेड टू क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं, 1 5 9 आर दी एलिमेंट्स related to 1. सिंपल, देखो 1 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 9, 1 related to 1, 1 related to 5, 1 related to 9. 1 से रिलेटेड क्या क्या है, 1 5 9. वेरी सिंपल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इसमें सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है देख लीजिए. इधर सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन. हियर सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है, ए इज इक्वल्स टू बी. रिलेटेड, you can create relation, order pair of a comma b is such that a is equals to b. You can take 0. ठीक है, 0 comma 0, ये related to b है ना, a is equals to b here. 1 comma 1, very good, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and so on, 12 comma 12. रिफ्लेक्सिव है क्या, यस रिफ्लेक्सिव है, यस Yes or no? Yes, reflexive. Symmetric है क्या? Symmetric. You can take 0, 0 and reverse also 0, 0. 1, 1, it reverse also 1, 1. 2, 2, reverse also 2, 2. So this is also reflexive. Symmetric also. ठीक है, reflexive, symmetric and transitive also. Here find the set of all elements related to 1. 1 related to क्या है? 1 only. 1 is the related to 1. Are understand? Yes.